Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Closing Comments. Today is March 27th, and let's take a look at our charts. First on the board, we've got the June 25 live cattle. This morning, we saw first half hour, 45 minutes of the day about push lower. We did see price undercut our prior day low and test the about 50% retracement on the signal day on the 25th. This was a good area for support. It supported yesterday's action as well as this morning's. We did see price after that first half hour rebound hard. We saw price get above the prior day highs and really kick this thing into gear. Ended up going a little over $3 higher by the end of the day, closing above 206. Nice positive day for the cattle market across the board. As we go down the line into some of these back months, we see continued upside. Definitely stronger in the front month, but it's a strong environment across the board for these live cattle. So expect the bulls to keep grinding higher here in the near term and close the week out on a high note. Feeders were also strong today. A little bit shakier start for them here this morning. We were down $4 at one point, retesting this 20-day average down here around 281. Nice sell-off early in the day, but recovered hard, rebounded. That was first half hour of the day, rebounded hard, and ended up closing above our prior day highs. This is a good signal. Expect the bulls to push this market higher as well. Headed back for $2.90 and potentially $3 in the weeks to come. So keep your eyes on that. Once again, feeders also showing strength down the line. Pretty similar story all the way down to November in these back months. So bullish picture in the cattle market, no doubt. Next up, we got corn. Today we saw corn lose a little bit more ground. Prices pushed lower, pretty small range day, only 5.5 cents. We are seeing overnight action here already. This market is pushing and testing today's lows. We cleared this 456 and our bear pivot at 462 early in the week, and expect this market just to keep pressing lower. Next target is 442 to test this prior low, and beyond that, we could see a nice second leg down into the low fours. So bears are in control here. Expect them to keep pushing this market lower. Next up, we got crude oil. Crude oil saw $70 trade again today. We basically use that as our cap for the day. The low time frame showing us here that we opened at 7 o'clock here, pressed lower, and then pushed higher late in the day. That early morning sell-off was rejected and kept price up here around $70 even. Nice pause day inside our prior day's range. Wouldn't be surprised to see the bears put up a fight in this area and look to push lower from here, but could take some more time, could take a little bit more dancing around up around the 70 mark. So no need to be in a rush, but if we start losing some of these prior day lows down here near 69, expect the sellers to jump back in here and push this market back to the mid 60s and potentially lower beyond that. So just waiting for this thing to settle up, find resistance, and for some of those lows to be taken out. Today in the equity markets, we saw a nice balanced day. Price just chopping in about a 60-point range all day long, just back and forth here around the 220-day average. This follow-through day from Monday low is an important level that we want to keep an eye on. We want price to be supportive above it. We do have support all the way down to 56.50 even. If we get below the red line here at 56.50, I would assume a second leg lower is going to come from here. Right now we're going to see a battle anywhere in this area as the bulls are looking to take this follow-through day and reclaim this 200-day average and get us back into an uptrend. Have a lot of work to do. Need to get back above our bull pivot and clear the 50 here and some of these prior lows on the S&P before we can really get comfortable on the long side. In the meantime, I'd expect continued volatility and a little bit of sideways action here as this market tries to digest this recent down move and pick its direction from here. So Over in the Nasdaq, similar story. Lost a little bit of ground, but same idea. Dow has been the strongest, holding its Monday's follow through day low here. But across all the indexes, we want to see some of these prior week lows hold, and the bulls need to get this price or get this market back above the 50-day average before you can get comfortable sitting in a uptrend. So in the meantime, we're going to remain defensive until we can pick up more ground. There are good names out there that are acting right and setting up good buy points. So as long as you're selective and watching the right names, there are some good opportunities out there. But as the general market goes, still got a few battles to fight here as it gets back above the 50 and chews through some of these prior levels. So no need to get too excited here. We want to make sure that we have a nice smooth sailing and clear some of these levels before we get too comfortable in a longer term position. So that's all we got for today. Everyone have a good evening.